buying a game on PlayStation 4 with a gift card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy a game with the gift card on PlayStation 4. Well, in order to do that, suppose you have a PlayStation gift card, how can you do that? In order to do that, you simply have to go to the PlayStation store and then you have to choose your profile. And after choosing your profile, there should be an option for redeem code. You just have to go to that option. And after that, you have to enter your 12-digit code, which should be your gift card code. Now, after putting the gift card code, your gift card will be redeemed. How afterwards, you will easily be able to use those funds to buy the game from the PlayStation Store. However, if you do not wanna, if you do not have this card and you have another prepaid Mastercard or a Visa gift card which you wanna use, you can use that as well. So for that, you simply have to go to your PlayStation 4 store and then you will easily be able to select any of the games that you wanna buy. And while checking out, there should be an option for add a credit/debit card. You have to opt for debit card, and afterward, you have to put your Visa gift card information right here. That's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.